Our solar system. This PPT is made by Sonakshi Padhy, also voiced by me, Sonakshi Padhy. Our solar system is located in an outer spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system consists of our star, the moon, and everything bounded to its gravity. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the planets. Dwarf planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteorites. Beyond our own solar system, we have discovered thousands of planetary systems orbiting other stars in the Milky Way. Here are all the planets of our solar system. Here is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are other dwarf planets also which we learned in the page second. Also, there are many phases of moon, such as third quarter, waning gibbous, full moon, waxing gibbous, first quarter, waxing crescent, new moon, waning crescent. Here is our sun. Doesn't it look beautiful? Wow, I love the scene. About sun, our solar system is just over 4.6 billion years old. So the sun is slightly more than halfway through its stable lifetime. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma, radiating the energy mainly as visible light and infrared radiation. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Source temperature is 5778 K. Age is 4.603 billion years. Distance to Earth is 149.6 million kilometers. About our Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to hover and support life. About 29.2% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. Remaining 70.8% is covered with water, mostly by oceans, seas, gulfs, and other saltwater bodies, but also by lakes, rivers, and other freshwater which together constitute hydrosphere. So, Earth is called blue planet. First planet is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet amongst all the terrestrial planets. It is mostly made up of rocks. It is very closest to Sun. Facts about Mercury. Diameter of Mercury is 3032 miles, which equals to 4879 kilometers. Distance from Sun is 28.5 to 43 million miles, which is equals to 45.9 to 69 million kilometers. Second is Venus. Of all the planets, Venus is the one most similar to Earth. In fact, Venus is often called Earth's sister planet, as similar as it is in some way. However, it is also very different in others. Earth and Venus are similar in size. The two planets are very close to each other as they orbit the Sun. Because of this, Venus is most visible planet in night sky. Both planets are relatively same. Facts about Venus. Diameter is equals to 7,520 miles, which is equals to 12,100 kilometers. Distance from Sun is about 67 million miles, which is equals to 108 million kilometers. Third is Earth. We know that Earth is only a planet where life exists. Almost 1.5 million of animals and plants have been discovered so far, and many more might be yet to be found. While other planets have small amount of ice or steam, the Earth is around full of water. Earth has a perfect condition for a breathable atmosphere. Fourth, fourth is Mars. Mars is oftenly called red planet. It is very dusty in look. Facts about Mars. Diameter is 4,217 miles, which is equals to 6,786 kilometers. Distance from the Sun 142 million miles, which is equals to 229 million kilometers. Fifth is Jupiter. Jupiter. The planet Jupiter is the first of the gas giant planets. Made mostly of gas, they include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is first among the planets in terms of size and mass. Its diameter is 11 times bigger than Earth, and its mass is 2.5 times greater than all the other planets combined. The red great spot on Jupiter is actually Ragging Storm. Facts about Jupiter. Diameter is 88,732 miles, which is equals to 142,800 kilometers. Distance from Sun is 484 million miles, which is equals to 779 million kilometers. And it has many moons. The moons of Jupiter are 63. Sixth is Saturn. Most people know about the rings around Saturn because they are the brightest and most colorful. These rings are made mainly out of ice particles orbiting the planet. While the rings themselves seem big, The particles are very small, usually no more than 10 feet, which is equals to 3 meters wide. Facts about Saturn. Diameter is equals to 74,900 miles, which is equals to 120,537 kilometers. Distance from Sun 888 million miles, which is 14,290 million kilometers. Number of moons are at least 56. Seventh is Uranus. Uranus is the first planet so far away from the Earth that it can only be seen with the use of telescope. When it was first discovered in 1781, scientists didn't know what they had found. As astronomers studied the object more closely, they discovered that it had a circular orbit around the Sun. They had found the seventh planet. Facts about Uranus. Diameter is equals to 32,200 miles. Distance from Sun is 1,783,940,000 miles. Last and the eighth planet is Neptune. Imagine being good at math. You can figure out location of a planet you have never ever seen. That is what John C. Adams did in 1843 when he discovered Neptune. Neptune was named after the Roman god of the sea because it is so far away out in the deep sea of space. The name also fits because Neptune appears to be a beautiful bright blue because of its methane clouds that surround it. Facts about Neptune. Diameter is 30,777 miles. Distance from Sun 2,795,084,800 miles.